Okay, so in this video, I'm playing Fun Monkey Horror 2. The reason I'm not playing the first one is because the second one has more game modes and will be more interesting, apparently. That's what it looked like at least. So, yeah, let's do it. I am also kind of sick right now, but yeah, that's creepy. I don't know what's showing my avatar here, bro. My arms are long. Just by looking at it, the monkey in the game looks adorable. I'm just gonna say. Please load. If you don't load, that would be very sad. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Where am I? Hello? I don't know what's happening. Oh, found a hole. Hello? Whoa. Oh. I'm not.
How would you do this? What is Diddy doing on the calculator?
Yo. Yo,
Yeah.
Gray, do you know how to play this game? I literally just got it. Like.
Oh, I've been played this game. They're in. Come here.
Yo, what is this, bro? This is weird.
They're in here. They're in
Level
here. In
basic?
here. Go in here. They're in here. Go in here.
Bro, what is this, bro? This is creepy. Well, I mean,
Just come down.
Somebody go that way!
Yo, what is that? Yo, Gray, what? Do you get kicked from the game if you die? Gray, what happens if you die? Like, you get kicked? Gray! Oh my god! Oh! Bro, Gray, what do we do? Oh, bro, this is creepy. That's so loud. Yo, Yellow! Yo, Black! Wait, why am I in here? Oh, yo, Black. Did you just get this game? Bro, bro. What, Slender type? Rat Run? Yo, Black, do you wanna do Rat Run with me? Black, do you wanna do Rat Run? Alright, then let's go. Wait, do you have a mic? Alright, you can talk if you want, okay. Alright. Bro, what
Yeah.
is that?
Yeah.
What is
Oh my god.
That's a giant rat! We gotta beat this level, bro. There's a button. Oh! Oh! The rat doesn't even have a jump scare. Bro. Oh my gosh! giant rat. Oh shoot, bro. What kind of level is this? Huh. I would say this game.
sucks. Yeah, locking trick too. This game sucks.
Follow me.
Shut up. Come here, guys. Come in this room. Come in this room.
But I can't.
I can.
Bro, are there cosmetics? Yes, there's cosmetics.
What?
How many of
What are you trying to do?
many stuff?
Hello, I'm a robot.
Bro, how do you get in there? I'm a miner.
Can
Shut up.
Now you ain't gonna be me.
Wait, how old are you? How old are you, bro? Can't be doing that.
Exactly like that.
Okay. Yo, yo, Boxhead. What level should we do? I literally just got this game. What level should we do?
Oh, let's do warehouse.
Warehouse, but what is this, bro? This looks so
We're
FNAF.
doing warehouse. Trust me, guys. We're doing warehouse.
Bro, is this level like really scary?
Let's just do it, bro. Don't be scared.
I'm not. What is that? What is that? No, I don't want to die. 7. I don't want to die.
No.
Red. Bro, I don't want to die. Bro, Red, what do we do?
No.
Bro, this is creepy. He was right there, bro. Bro, Red, should we die?
Oh my god.
Red, we gotta sacrifice ourselves. Actually, you know what, Red, go sacrifice yourself.
Mom, my controller's not working.
Red, go sacrifice yourself.
No.
Well, how about we do
You.
it together?
Okay.
Alright, it's in here. Alright, you do it first.
Heck no. I'm scared.
Come on. You don't gotta be scared, bro. It's just a game. Oh, shoot.
I how about you? Oh shit.
Okay, we'll do it at the same time. You ready?
Heck no. I don't trust you.
You can trust me. You can trust me.
You go first and I'll go.
You have to follow after me, bro. Oh my gosh. Come on, bro.
Oh heck no.
Do it for your monkey ancestors. Okay, Red, we'll go in 3. Oh my gosh. Alright, just go. Let's go. Alright, jump scare 1. Oh. That's not even scary.
Oh my gosh.
What was that? Yo, let me out of here, bro.
You think you can run away, please?
Yo, Black. Oh. They went to this
Turn in this game
I'm not gonna lie, this skin's actually pretty decent.
Someone should open that door. What's up, Red? What's up, Red?
No, bro, I'm playing fun.
Red.
Oh my god.
Run! I know he does this.
Why are you working on my
Look,
paper?
Yo!
That's
This-
not chat.
Yo, Black!
Chat.
Black.
W.
Survive. Come here, Mom. Survive in the trap. Survive in the
Yo! Yellow!
son of a bitch.
How do you get that?
Run.
Yo, Black, how do you get
Where
that?
are you?
How do you get that? How do you get
Oh,
that
you beat the
badge?
rat run.
Oh,
You need to beat the rat run.
can you do it with me? I already did. I wanna.
Oh, see.
Yo, Black,
So stupid, bro.
Black.
I hate this stupid control.
Yo,
That is
Pink,
actually so
Pink.
stupid, bro.
Bro, I'm trying to get somebody to follow me.
There's a monster.
Yo, Pink, Pink.
What the hell?
Yo, Green. Do you wanna do a different level with me?
Down there. Oh,
Green,
down there.
Green, come on up.
The cheeks out of me.
Green, come up
Let
here.
them totally go away.
I'm losing my grip.
Yo, somebody come up here.
To a different level.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yo,
Everybody go
purple.
to a different level.
Pink, do you wanna come with us to a different level?
The controller's not
Yo,
working.
guys, come back. Yo,
Okay, which
what?
go to
Guys.
which one? Which one? Which one? Guys, let's go to Forest. Forest.
Yeah,
Forest.
Force, yeah.
Forest. Where you
Bro, I
Wait,
literally
this-
just got.
Guys, we have to
This is
run. We
creepy.
have to run so far. Like this, guys. We don't even. Okay, we're gonna start now. Let's go. Let's go.
No.
Just run. Just run. Come on, guys.
Run as fast as you
Bro,
can.
I don't like this. This
follow
doesn't
me,
seem like
everybody
a
follow me.
forest, really. Guys, this doesn't
Everybody
really look
follow
like
me.
a forest.
Everybody follow me. I pretty barely have to use
Oh my gosh, what was
To
that?
like run.
I just heard something.
Nah,
go-
you guys just follow me.
How do you beat this? Oh,
Guys, just follow
finally,
me.
there's a tree. I want to do the slender level after this.
Dang, bro.
Yeah, the Slendy Tubbies. Let's do the Slendy Tubbies after
Bro,
this.
I actually just got this game. I don't know what to expect. This is creepy. Oh my gosh, bro, don't do that. That's
Are they chasing us?
Oh, yes, it is.
oh. I see. I have no idea what that was. That was creepy.
That was a monster.
Wait, where's Pink? Yo, Pink. Yo, Pink. Pink, follow me.
Wait, let's do a different one.
Yeah,
Dude,
let's
go
go.
help me to do a different one. Guys, let's do a different one. Guys, do a different one.
We're
Yeah,
doing
different
Slender
map.
Tubbies.
Guys, we're doing
Yeah,
a
this
different
one's not that fun. Everybody go to Salon.
Yo, everybody follow
We're doing a
us.
different one.
Come back to
Come
Salon.
on. Yo. Oh, my hand. Alright,
We're doing Slendy Tubbies.
Skyscraper, skyscraper,
oh,
skyscraper.
No, we're doing Slendy
Skyscraper.
Tubbies.
Green.
Alright,
We're
let's
doing
go.
Slendy Tubbies. We're doing Slendy.
What is this?
Come on, guys.
This is creepy.
Oh.
So this is my favorite one.
Everybody's childhood.
Oh,
I love this. Bro,
This is
this
my
real
favorite
one.
one.
Bro, what is this? This is creepy.
It's just like the scariest.
That scared me. Oh, that was scary.
It's just like really fun.
This map is real
It's
my
like a really
childhood.
fun map. It's a really fun map.
Yo, Pink. Pink.
Yeah, I don't want to watch
It's a really fun map, guys.
Pink.
Guys, it's a really fun map.
Yo, Pink. Do you want to make a run with me? Wait. Yo, Green.
I'm not watching
Green.
Teletubbies anymore.
Do you want to
why
make
is
a
that so
run for
loud?
it?
I know.
Green, let's make a run for it, bro.
Everybody, go back, go back. Yeah,
Yo,
go back.
Green.
This isn't really fun though.
I'll go, I guess.
Everybody, go back.
It seemed
Go back.
interesting.
Sick.
Hold
Level
up.
basic. No, we already been
Bro,
there.
level
boys.
basic is level
Go to
basic is so
CrossFit, too.
basic. CrossFit.
Yeah, go to CrossFit, guys.
Oh my god.
Oh, hey, it's 10 and bro.
Yo.
Yo, Pink. We gotta do this, bro. Oh my gosh. What is that? No, my ears. Bro, that hurts my ears way too much, bro. Yo, Pink, I'm gonna go change my color. I'll be back.
Change it to pink, bro.
I wanna be gray. I love gray. Gray or
Buddy, I see you
purple?
moving.
Oh,
Nah, bro, crawl space is way too scary.
I know,
They
bro. Let's do
spawn
something
me in
else.
some random place and the monsters
You wanna
start
do Dead Town?
attacking.
You wanna do Dead Town with me?
Is there even monsters?
bro, how do you change your color?
Everybody, what if we
Go
do
to
like
forest.
this?
They're all there. They're all forest.
Gray, pink,
Let's do loot.
pink.
Help me!
Huh. Well, I will say, this is...
Guys, let's not. What is going on?
Bro, is that Simon Head? Why is he Simon Head, bro?
Go to forest.
Bro, what's up? Bro, think why is Simon Head?
Guys, leave forest. Leave forest. Leave.
Bro, why is Simon Head here? Wait, bro. No, bro, why was Siren Head there, bro?
No.
Oh my gosh, what was that? This game is creepy, bro. Yo, yellow. Oh, we gotta go back to first place. Whoa! Why is Simon?
$3. 3. It's only $3.
Yo, Red, how do you change your color?
What?
How do you change your color? It doesn't really work. Oh.
What the hell?
What the?
Got to do.
What happened? I wanna go home. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for this video, I guess. Yeah, bye.